Little donkey, on the hasty road. How to keep on blocking hours with the precious cold. Well, I like building snowmans, but there's no snow. When Santa comes to your house and he gives you some presents. I was upset. I like snow. Pudding. I like Elf on the Shelves moving around. Christmas trees. That's the best part. Presents. Because it has loads of balls and lights and stars. And I like singing the Christmas songs. My favourite decorations, and they fell down but they're not glass, it was a cupcake. I love them, but I don't eat them. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I want Santa to ride on Christmas Day. Hey! Ham and chicken and stuffing. Oh, I have nothing at all. Chicken, carrots, potatoes, ham, chicken, and pepper. Oh, no, actually red sauce. My favourite Christmas story is when my mummy and my whole family, when we all get to open presents on Christmas Day. I have a story about Jesus that was born and about Rudolph.
Why was he special?
Because he has a red nose. He has a red nose.
And what did that red nose let him do?
God shine.